Zagating Ijigan on my way. La 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 do 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 do. Can you tell me how to get to Nana Boozhoo? How to get to Nana Boozhoo? How to steal the other people's songs? How to ignore copyright law? Um, Boozhoo. Hey, Boozhoo Niji. Anin. Eji Ayayan. Mano Gigajeb Boss. Neiman Windham Oman Noon Goom. Boozhoo Mamengwa. Anin. Eji Ayayan Niji Kwe. Oh, Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. Neiman Windham Kiwawa Badan. Kindash. Hoa. Namino Aya. Kanabaj. We Mino Gija Gud. And let's make that our Ojibwe phrase of the day, eh? Sounds like a plan, Kimo Sabe. And Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Doog. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day, Ganabaj, we mino gija good. I think it's gonna be a good day. And let's break this down. Ganabaj, I think. We mino gija good. We means like it's gonna happen in the future. We. Mino is good, something that's good. And gija good, it's a good day. We mino gija good. It's gonna be a good day. And that's all you gotta say. You know, if you have a good intention, then the day will be good. It's all the law of attraction, don't you know? Don't you know? I just sounded like a Norwegian. Hey, don't you know? But Oprah Winfrey says that if you just read The Secret and you dream about it, it'll come to you. So, you know, that's the secret law of attraction. Nah, I'm just kidding. I mean, I think that is what the philosophy is, but whatever. So, we mino gija good. It's gonna be a good day. And you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and yes, culture. I want to invite you to come over to YouTube and watch the full episodes. We have 30-minute episodes up on YouTube. And also we have a Patreon account. So come and visit that. I put a link in the tab there. All right. Well, I will see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa, Hoa. Zagate, sleep in the clouds away. Zagate, sunny day. Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Doog. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, our Ojibwe word, Mini Bashki Minisagani, Bitose Jagani, Bakwejigan, or blueberry pie. All right, let's break this down. Mini Bashki Minisagani, Bitose Jagani, Bakwejigan. So you got mine, blueberry. And then we say Bashki Minisagani, Bashki Minisagani. And this is like blueberry jam or preserves. And then we say Bitusi Jigani, Bitusi Jigani. And this means like layered. See, so far we got mine, blueberry, Bashki Minisagani, jam, Bitusi Jigani, layered, and then it's on bread, Bakwejigan, Bakwejigan, it's bread. All right, one more time. Mini Bashki Minisagani, Bitusi Jigani, Bakwejigan. And one more time. Mine Bashki Minisagani, Bitusi Jigani, Bakwejigan. Blueberry jam layered bread. And that's our Ojibwe word for today. You have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Giga Waba Min Minawa Hawa. All right, I think that's good enough. Let's just drop it up right there. Na 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 Boozhoo, na 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 Boozhoo, na 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 Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo. Went to a dance looking for romance. Ah, Nana Boozhoo, so I thought I'd take a chance. Oh, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, you're all about Ojibwe language and culture. Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana na 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 Boozhoo, Nana na 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 Boozhoo, Nana na 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 Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Oh, that was really good. That should be our new theme song, eh? I couldn't agree more, boss. Hello, love. Mamengwa wa'a.
Oh, Boozhoo, Nietzsche.
Nanamush isn't a kazod. Pleasure to make your acquaintance, sir. Hello, mate. And this here is Makwa. Boozhoo. Wabus isn't a kazod. Ani Niji. And up there we got Baka Akwe and Makuns. Ekadon Boozhoo Nijiwag. Baka! Nice to meet you, brother. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, welcome to the show.
And Niwini Mushane, Natasha Iwede. Hello, love. And last but not least, our fearless producer, Michael Lyons. Hi. Hello, mate. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. Mr. Boozhoo, your friends are oh so lovely. Oh, and you have a show on the telly then? No, it's like an online podcast. We're on YouTube and that, Facebook, Twitter.
We're a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Well said, dear. Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo is, well, if I can be so bold, this podcast is like no other show I've ever seen. Brilliant. Do you think I could sit in on a taping sometime? I'd love to see how you and your mates here produce your show. I'll do you one better, Niji. How about I make you our special guest? Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? All right then. Okay, you just sit right here. Can we just start taping? All right. Boozhoo ni Janishinabe Doog, and welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and we have a very special guest on the show today. Say hello to Gaja Gens, Ikadon, Boozhoo, to Niniji, Gaja Gens. Ho! And that's our Ojibwe word of the day, Gaja Gens, cat. So tell us, Gaja Gens, what is the most misunderstood thing that people have about cats? Oh, blimey. I don't know. Let me think. Maybe it's this idea that we want to eat mice. Cats are vegans, mate. We've never eaten meat. You don't eat meat? Nah, mate. I'm just having a go. I love mice. Eh. Well, all right then. Well, hey. Gaj against Isn't it Kazod? Gaj against is his name. Welcome to the show, Niji. Thank you, Nana Boozhoo. You're a gentleman and a scholar, my good sir. Thank you very much indeed. And you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minowa, ho! Alright, yeah. Welcome to the show, Niji. Oh, thank you very much indeed.
Are you sure about this?
Well, dear, I can't rightly say that I'm sure about anything, but it is something I feel like I need to do.
But I'll miss you, Anamush.
I know, Mamengwa, I'll miss you too, but sometimes a man's just got to do what his heart tells him to do. I love everyone here at the podcast, but it's time for me to make my own way in this world.
Have you told Nana Boozhoo?
No, not yet. And I'd appreciate it if you could keep this under your hat for a while, at least until I can speak to him personally. I owe him that much.
Oh, sure. I won't say anything.
All right then. Thank you, dear. Here he comes now. Because my love for you would break my heart. Morning, boss. Oh, hey there, Anamush. Mino Giga Jeb, how are you, my brother? Well, I'm just about rad as rain, sir. Just about as rad as rain. Hey there, Mamengwa. Mino Giga Jeb Nishime. Good morning, my little. Hey, what's the matter, my girl?
Nothing. I don't know anything about Anamush.
What now?
It's nothing. Let's just do the podcast, okay? I don't know anything. I don't. I just don't.
Oh, come on now. What is it? Why are you crying? What's going on, Anamush? Oh, for crying out loud. Well, I might as well tell you now. What? I was just telling Mamengwa here that I was planning on tendering my resignation from the show. You're a what now? Well, boss, I just wanted to say that I appreciate the opportunity you've afforded me under your employ, but I must resign from my position as Chief Technical Engineer of the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. You're quitting? Yes, boss. I'm quitting the show. I can't thank you enough for this opportunity and all the great memories, but it's time I head out to see if I can't make it on my own out there. Oh, well, gee, I'm sure gonna miss you, Niji. But I guess you gotta do what you gotta do, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you too.
But to tell you the truth, I didn't even realize this was like, your actual job. Why do you think I always called you boss? I don't know. I thought it was like a nickname or something. Was I even paying you? Well, that's the other thing, quite frankly. I didn't feel quite right saying anything. I can tell by your shoes that you don't make much your own self, but I have yet to receive any compensation for my work. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't blame you, Niji. I guess I haven't been much of a boss. Tell you what if I put up a Patreon account and I asked the viewers to support us? Do you think you'd reconsider leaving? Well, I don't know. Um, it's not really about the money. Something tells me it's just time to see what else this big old world has to offer. You understand, don't you, boss?
Well, I don't understand it at all. I'm gonna miss you, Anamush.
I know, my mangua, but we'll stay in touch. You got a Facebook page?
No.
Hmm. Well, maybe you should get a Facebook page. Tell you what, Anamush, give me 2 weeks. Let's just see if anyone signs up first. If nobody does, we'll do one last Boozhoo Nano Boozhoo and quit the show altogether. Well, I don't want you to quit the show. Hey, if people sign up, we won't have to. But if nobody does, then we kind of have to ask ourselves why we're doing this at all. Okay, then. 2 weeks, boss. Let's make it great. You gonna be okay, Mamengwa?
Yeah, I'm okay. Should we get started?
Okay, then. You want to set us up on a mush? I'd be delighted, sir. Mamengwa, can you give me a check 1 2, check 1 2?
Check 1 2, check 1 2.
Boss, can you give me the same? Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, level set. Quiet in the studio, please. Cueing music in 3 2. Boozhoo ni Janashinabe Doog. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and our Ojibwe word for today, Junia. Niwi ea, Junia. I want some money, eh? Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Neiman Wayndom, Oma Noon Goom.
Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Neiman Wayndom, Oma
Noon
Goom. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Neiman Wayndom, Oma Noon Goom. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Neiman Wayndom, Oma Noon Goom.
Hey, Yeah, something like that.
Oh, I think that's
That
really
could be our
good.
new theme song.
Yeah.
Hey, Boozhoo! Boozhoo ni Janashanabedo. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. Neiman Waindum, Omanun Goom. I'm happy to be here today. Now let's make that our phrase for today.
Okay.
Neiman Waindum, I'm happy, Omanun Goom, to be here today. But mostly I'm happy to be here today because I want to invite you over. Why don't you should come over to the YouTube channel. We've got full episodes of the new Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo YouTube show. Um, yeah, so that's really all I had to say. Neiman Waindum, Omanun Goom. I'm happy to be here today. What do you think, Animush? You got anything you want to add to this? Oh, I don't know, boss. Uh, yeah, just come on over to YouTube. We've got some 30-minute shows and a lot of good music. And well, I think it's just a very good show. What do you think, Mamengwa?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good too.
Okay then. Well, there you have it. Come on over and watch Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, only on YouTube. Eh. Okay, I will see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Ho! Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Hey, you guys, do you want some mush, kiki wabu? Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo,
Makademash, Kiki Wabu. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Makademash, Kiki Wabu. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Makademash, Kiki Wabu.
Eh,
Maybe I should announce it, should I? In memory of a free festival. The children of the summer's end gathered near the dampened grass. We played our songs and felt the London sky. Resting on our hands, it was God's land. It was rugged and naive. 'Twas heaven. We touched the very soul of holding each and every life. We claimed the very source of joy ran through. Didn't, but it seemed that way. I kissed a lot of people that day. All right, take it away, boss. Oh, to capture just one drop of all the ecstasy that swept that afternoon. To paint that love upon the white balloon. And fly it from the toppest top of all the tops that man has pushed beyond his brain. Satori must be something just the same. Eh. All right, take it away, my Mengwa. We scanned the skies with rainbow highs and saw machines of every shape and size. We talked with tall illusions passing through. And Peter tried to climb aboard, but the captain shook his head, and away they soared. Climbing through the ivory, vibrant cloud. Someone passed some glisten on a crowd, and we walked back to the road, unchained. Oh, Miigwech bizendawieg. Giga waba min. Minawa. Oh,
You want me to say check 1 2 right here, dog? Yeah, you can call me Animush. Oh yeah, begging your pardon, sir. No disrespect intended. Check 1 2. All right. Gajigans, would you please give me a check 1 2? All right. Check 1 2. Okay, that should do just fine. Mamangwa, can you check your microphone for me, please, dear?
Okay, check 1, 2, check 1, 2. How do you do now?
All right. And boss, give me a check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right. I think we're set. Whenever you're ready. Okay. Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Doog. And welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and these are my friends here. We got Gajagents, Anamush, Mamengwa, and Wabooz. And how you guys doing? Well, I think we're just fine, boss. That's
We're
right.
great, yeah.
And today we're gonna let's see. We're gonna talk about a very important Ojibwe. I don't know what are we gonna. Oh, I know. Hey, today is a Ojibwe word of the day. It's got to be a word you already know, but I need to say it again. Miigwech. Thank you. We have a patron account, and in the last week we doubled the number of patrons we have there.
Oh,
We've got
great.
it. We started out strong, and then it doubled. Well, how many we got now, boss? We got 2 patrons. Anyway, I just want to say miigwech to people who are supporting the show. It means the world to us. So that's our word for today, miigwech. And yeah, if you haven't supported us, I get it, times are tight. But you can link to the Patreon account and just check it out. There's videos on there too. Otherwise, come over to YouTube.
Yeah.
We've got 30-minute videos. We got full episodes of Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. All right. Well, then here's another phrase. I'm going to say, Ki gawaba min. Ki gawaba min. I will see you again. And you've been watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Oh, all right. Let's just wrap that.